Mobiles, laptops, technology sales and repairs. Blackwood, South Australia. Everything about this business makes it an unmissable opportunity for a savvy buyer. Phonesmiths offers location, exposure, proven growth and excellent future potential. The business offers repairs, servicing and accessories for mobile phones, tablets and laptops. Boasting a great reputation and Google reviews, this is a high-demand service with no local competition. Phonesmiths enjoys excellent exposure in Blackwood's busiest shopping centre, with many regular customers. The shop sits at the main entrance to People's Choice Credit Union Arcade, with direct access to the car park and main thoroughfare. Servicing local schools and small businesses, this opportunity offers growth and diversification. The new owner could launch an online store, extend the retail range, and offer call-outs and home visits.